Hello guys, as you can see, I'm downloading a new Fluxus now, and May 15, Wednesday. This is now, and I'm showing you new update in Fluxus. Okay, so here are the new update Fluxus. I will put the link below so you can download it. So Fluxus are back. I don't know what happened in Fluxus right now, but all players are waiting. As you can see, Fluxus is back, guys. Let's grind more and wait for us updating Blackfoot. I think Blackfoot now is maybe giving us more little time to prepare an update. But guys, Fluxus is back.